use the properties of logarithms to expand each function, and then we're going to find the derivative. So for the first one, what we want to do is expand this using our quotient property. So that's going to be ln of 2x plus 3. Since it's division, we're going to put minus ln of x minus 5. So recall that the derivative of ln of x is 1 over x. So when you're taking the derivative of y with respect to x, for this first one, take the derivative of the inner function, that's 2, so you put that on top, and then you just write the denominator. This is your whole x. We're using substitution here. This is your whole inner function here, so that's going to be 2x plus 3, minus the derivative of the inner function is 1, and that this is the whole function, and you just put this in the denominator. Okay, and that's it. On the next one, we're going to first expand f of x. So that's going to be ln of x. And this is the product property, ln of x squared plus 1. So the derivative of f of x is just going to equal, this one's just normal, 1 over x, plus take the derivative of the inner function, which is going to be 2x, and then you just put this quantity here in the denominator, which is x squared plus 1. And the last one, we're going to expand this, so this is going to be y equals ln of x cubed. We're using the quotient property, so we're going to subtract ln of 2 minus 3x squared. So for the first one, we're going to take the derivative of y with respect to x. And so for this one, we're just going to take the derivative of my inner function, which is going to be 3x squared, over this quantity here, which is x cubed, right? Minus derivative of the inner function. And you have to expand that a little bit, but that's going to be basically 2 times negative 3 over my inner function, which is, because you're using the chain rule here, so that's going to be 2 minus 3x. Now if you simplify this further, these reduce out, so it's going to be 3 over x, and this is 2 negatives, so it's going to turn to a positive 6 over 2 minus 3x. Okay, just remember the derivative of that. You do the chain rule, you're going to use 2 times 2 minus 3x times the derivative of the inner function, and that's going to be negative 3. That's where we got the 2 times negative 3 there. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.